Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video I am going to talk about the relationship between Ayurveda body type and your sleep and how the constitution of your body makes impact on your sleep and what are the ways and methods to make your sleep better quality. Let's start. We all know like human beings spend 1/3 of their life in sleeping. A lot of physiological changes happens during sleep that help a human being to live well, to stay healthy and to function at its optimum level. In Ayurveda, it's been said that when the intellect of a human being comes down at deep rest, then sleep happens. Also, it's been mentioned when the body channels are accumulated with kapha dosha, then naturally there is an aggravation of tamoguna or tamas and ultimately a person falls asleep. The father of Indian medicine, that is Maharshi Charak, he explains sleep is of 7 types. One of the type is when there is aggravation of a kapha dosh in the body, when there is a lot of kapha dosh get accumulated in the body channels, then naturally there is a tendency to sleep. You must have seen most of the times it happens, the people with more of kapha body type, they sleep very easily as compared to the people with vata or pitta body type. So it is natural, like they already have a lot of kapha, so these kind of people can sleep anytime, anywhere. Next thing is mental exertion. When a person use a lot of his mind, if he do a lot of work in which mind is being used, a lot of intellectual work in which there is a continued use of mind, that also initiates sleep. Many times this also happen when we do a lot of physical work with the body, a lot of walking or a lot of weightlifting or a lot of traveling, a lot of work in which you need some physical labor, then also body get tired and we feel sleep. Sometimes the sleep is also one of the reason what happens when we got some kind of disease or if we get some kind of sickness. So that is also one variety of sleep that happens because of some kind of disease inside the body. And sleep becomes so important in our body, like we have felt if we do not sleep proper during one night, then next day the symptoms that we feel is body ache, we feel heaviness of head, we do not feel freshness, we feel indigestion. Many times it's been seen that the people with weak digestive fire and especially with the vata body type or pitta body type, they also feel some kind of symptoms of indigestion. Not all, but many times this happens if they don't have enough good strength or immunity in the body, and for some reasons if they keep themselves awake late during the night till 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, then these symptoms of indigestion comes. Also, if we are not able to sleep proper during the night, it also cause aggravation of vata disorders, like various disorders that happens due to aggravation of vata. So in this way, sleep becomes essential part of our life. So let's understand what is the correlation between the sleep and body types. It's been seen that the people with vata body type, they are usually light sleepers unless they do not exert themselves into some kind of work, like either they use some mental work or some kind of physical work, especially mental work. They are not able to sleep, they are very light sleepers. So what are the recommendations for vata body type people so that they can have good sleep and they do not feel any disturbance in the body, so that they can have proper health? Like they should indulge themselves mentally in some kind of work. They should use their mind more and more, because physically if they want to exert too much, maybe that is not very good for their health. Over exertion is not so good for their health, but they should engage their mind in some kind of work, so that would help them to sleep in a better way. If you have a pitta body type, then these people also don't have very good sleep. They are also light sleepers, and but their reason for not getting proper sleep is more associated with the hot potency of the food. So all those food which are hot in potency, Pitta people should start avoiding those kind of food. Also they should stop using overuse of spices. Little bit spices they should use, but overuse of spices. And also those foods which are very hot in potency, they should use them in a less quantity. For example, turmeric. Turmeric is very hot in potency. If you have Pitta body type, you should not overuse turmeric, because then it will generate heat in the system and ultimately you will not be able to sleep properly. Kapha body type are usually blessed with good sleep, and if they are not able to sleep for some reasons, there may be some other reasons, maybe regarding their digestive fire, or maybe regarding their disease, or some kind of indigestion, or some kind of mental stress or anxiety or tension. These are another ways to look at sleep, but usually Kapha people are blessed with good sleep. And if you are thinking like how to know whether you are a Kapha body type, Pitta body type, or Vata body type, then we have a video related this, that is in dosha series. You please go through our channel, and there is a dosha series video in which you can know your body type. So go to that video, find out your body type, and see in which body type you belong to, what is your constitution, and accordingly you can improve your sleep by using the ways and methods that's been provided in other videos regarding Kapha body type, Pitta body type, and Vata body type. So this way you can enhance your sleep. I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will be in touch with us and with our upcoming videos that are about health, about life, about well-being. So stay connected, stay healthy, stay blessed. Take care.